We are going to make together a perfect beef chop suey.
The dish was named by Chinese immigrants in the United States in the late 19th century. It's made of quickly stir-fried vegetables, often with meat. Everything is cut into small pieces, using whatever ingredients you have. Find more information about the ingredients at the end of the video. Soak 0.25 ounces of black fungus while continuing the preparation. For the marinade, cut 10 ounces of beef in 2 slices of about 1/4 inch thick. Cut perpendicular to the fibers for a tender meat after cooking. To prepare a traditional Chinese marinade, first season with 1/4 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of ground pepper, and 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Mix well to relax the fibers, which makes the meat more tender and allows better absorption of the marinade. Add the 1 egg white and mix well. Put 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. During cooking, the egg white and cornstarch create a protective layer around the meat pieces, keeping them tender and juicy. Add the 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil to prevent the meat pieces from sticking together during cooking. Set aside. Cut into small pieces 1 carrot, 1 celery stalk, 1/4 of red bell pepper, and 1/4 of green bell pepper. 7 ounces of napa cabbage, 1 small onion, 1 green onion. Put the white part with the onion. 4.5 ounces of mushrooms, 7 ounces of firm tofu. Drain the black fungus and remove their stems. Cut a few thin slices of ginger and mince 6 garlic cloves. All the cooking is done over high heat. When the pan is hot, add the 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. When the oil is hot, add the tofu and brown them for about 4 minutes, turning them from time to time. Set aside. In the same pan, add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. When the oil is hot, add a little of minced garlic, the carrot, add a pinch of salt, and stir for 30 seconds. The mushrooms and the black fungus. Stir for 2 minutes. Put half teaspoon of Shaoxing cooking wine on the edges of the pan. This enhances its flavor. Briefly stir and set aside. Add the 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. In the same way, add a bit of the garlic, the onion and the white part of the green onion, the bell pepper, the celery, and the napa cabbage with a pinch of salt. Stir for 2 minutes. Stir-frying the vegetable in batches helps maintain high heat in the pan, giving a nice grill aroma while preserving their crunch and different flavors. Pour half teaspoon of Shaoxing cooking wine on the edges of the pan. Briefly stir and set aside. To stir-fry the beef, heat the pan until it smokes. Add 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. When the oil is very hot, add the ginger slices and stir for 10 seconds. Add the remaining garlic and the marinated beef pieces, spreading them out. Let sear for 30 seconds. Flip them over and stir for 20 seconds. Put 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of Shaoxing cooking wine on the edges of the pan. Add the 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce on the meat and stir for 10 seconds. The soy sauce caramelizes and gives a delicious flavor to the meat. Then add all the vegetables and the tofu cubes. Stir for 20 seconds and add the green part of the green onion. Briefly stir and turn off the heat. The beef chop suey is ready. Enjoy with jasmine rice. Bon appétit! The marinating technique with step-by-step mixing and cooking technique allows for a very tender and flavorful meat. The vegetables retain their crunch and flavors, creating a harmonious dish. The dark soy sauce is salty. It's more intense in flavor than light soy sauce. It is used for seasoning, enhancing the dish's flavors and giving a beautiful appetizing brown color. Oyster sauce also enhances flavors, providing both salty and sweet notes. This one contains 4% oyster extract. Shaoxing cooking wine is made from fermented rice. It enhances the flavors of the dishes, giving them a delicious typical Chinese taste. It is added to some marinades or during the cooking of stir-fried dishes. The alcohol evaporates during cooking. Black fungus are a staple in Chinese kitchens. We love them for their crunchy texture and their ability to absorb all the flavors of the dish. Thank you. See you at the next homemade dish on Morgan Recipes.